collect your plot. Lagos Banana Island don finish. Here na the new Banana Island in Port Harcourt off Odili Road. Come our office at Mercy Homes and Properties, number 181, opposite Chicken Republic, Odili Road, and they will carry you go for inspection. You see the land, you pay your money, you collect it. Under 2 weeks, you collect your documents. You don't pay separate money again. So now why are they happy? Gift yourself this Christmas with one plot of land. Now buy and build. If you buy and dash person, and that person no will ever forget you for your entire life. If you still invest inside you, na even sweet pass, because as you buy and cheap, after a year, 2, 3, 4, 5, you go sell am times 2, times 3, and even times 10 of the money where you buy am. Hey, you don't like am like that. I don't say you go like am. So just call the number and you will get your plot.